Is there a specific package or anything like that you guys stand behind that I could push?
Yeah, we have our like core four is what we call it.
What's in the core four? Tell me about it.
Yes, that's protein, creatine, multivitamins, and omegas.
And why would I be recommending those 4 products?
Because they're good for everybody.
Do you want me to take that one?
Yeah, Brian.
Yeah, you got that. Brian's better at
The
that.
core 4 is a relatively new thing that that we've kind of set up.
Yeah, core four is where we would start. If someone said, I want the most bang for my buck. I take no supplements. Where do I start? And so this is an assumption, but you can assume most people, let's say they're even eating healthy, common American diet. We can assume that you're probably not getting all the vitamins, mainly minerals that you should be getting. So even if some we are, let's make sure we're covering our bases there. So the vitamin mineral complex to make sure we're, if you're not giving your body kind of the essential micronutrient needs to form basic functions, and how you can ask it to perform over and above for better performance recovery, etc. So that's the multivitamin. The protein. Not everyone has to take a protein supplement, but if we can go with the assumption and kind of agree that most people are under eating protein of any micronutrient, people probably get plenty of carbohydrates, plenty of fats. Those are easy to find and snack on, but really quality lean protein is sometimes lacking, and people more and more people find that hard to get, especially if you're trying to eat an adequate amount. 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. A really simple way to bump up we got to get those numbers up.
Bump those numbers
Got to
up.
get those numbers up. A powdered protein is a snack. It's a really good high quality protein. The omega, we're kind of inundated with a lot of omega 6s. So you have these omega fats compete for absorption in the body, and when you have like fast foods and grain fed chicken, beef, and things, that it throws off the normal ratio of omega 3s to omega 6s. So, and that can cause inflammation, gut issues, inflammatory issues. So getting a supplement source, a supplementary source of omega 3s can help with inflammation in your joints, in your gut. Is going to help with heart health, brain health. The DHA and EPA, DHA in particular for your brain is really important. We're just not eating a lot of freshwater fish and things like that. So that's where the fish oil comes in. What's the other one? Greens? Creatine. I'm sorry, creatine. Maybe the most important. So creatine you find in red meat is a very common source of creatine. You get about 1 gram per pound of red meat. Now, how many people are eating a pound of red meat a day, let alone like what else comes with that, right? Depending on the source. But creatine is in terms of recovery, performance, and the way it helps turn over ATP, for converting ADP to the energy ATP, creatines. You mentioned the Krebs cycle, Dr. Chamness.
Yeah.
So creatine's ability that's kind of what the foundation of creatine, right? Why it became popular is in terms of performance, but now you find all these mental health benefits. In everybody. I give my kids 1 gram of creatine a day. So
that's why Samuel's so huge.
He's a big kid. The creatine, just something I always say, like, I don't care if you're 16 to 60, active, not active, regardless of goal. If you're a cyclist, if you're a bodybuilder, like everybody can benefit from creatine. So, and that's a really easy, inexpensive supplement to put.
There's like new stuff coming out on creatine every day. I feel like whether it's
the most studied, for harmless, like there's nothing but positive things coming out of creatine.